Oh, hello. Hello, sweetheart. How are those bag straps? Are they yummy? How are you doing? You get the hiccups, do you? It's okay. Everyone gets them. You were getting those all the way back when you were in Mummy's tummy, weren't you? Making my tummy jump. Oh, have you seen your best friend? You want to play with it? Did you have a nice day out this morning? Looking around the shops with Mummy? Did so well. Oops. It's a big bag, isn't it? I could put you inside of it. But I wouldn't do that. I'm going to sit up at your chair and have some lunch in a minute. I can give you some vegetables and things. See what you think. Now that you're so big eating food. Did you drink water through a straw today? I think you did because I saw you. That was very clever. What are those little legs doing? I can hear them.